ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। श्रीमन्नारायणीयम्। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परब्रह्मणे नमः। दशकं 63 श्लोका 3। कुल इह खलु गोत्रो दैवतं गोत्रशत्रोः विहतिमिह सरुन्ध्यात् को नु वः संशयः अस्मिन् इति सहसितवादी देवगोवर्धनाद्रिं त्वरितमुदमुमूलो मूलतो बालदोर्भ्याम्। Word by word meaning. Iha kule, for this clan of ours. Gotraha khalu, the mountain indeed. Daivatam is the deity. Saha, that mountain. Gotra Shatroho, of the enemy of mountains Indra. Vihatim, the attack. Iha Rundhyat, will resist here. Asmin, about this. Vaha, to you. Kaha nu samshayaha, what doubt is there? He Deva, O Lord. Iti, thus. Sahasitavadi, hasita, smile. Sahasita, with a smile. Speaking with a smile. Tvaritam, quickly. Baladorbyam, with thy tender hands. Govardhanadrim, the Govardhana mountain. Mulataha, from the bottom. Udamumulaha, thou didst uproot. Full meaning. O Lord, saying with a smile, the mountain is indeed the deity of our clan. It will resist the attack of Indra. What doubt do you have about this? Thou didst quickly uproot the Govardhana mountain with thy tender hands. Om Tat Sat.